Alright, today is Zippo Saturday, and I got a good one today. And this one I keep displayed in this kind of a soft leatherette display box. It's got that nice satin Zippo embroidered on. It's not embroidered, but this is the 90th year of Zippos. See if I can get it out of there. Here is the 90th commemorative Zippo. It's got that really nice plaque on there. The Zippo logo is etched. And it is commemorating 1932 to 2022. It also says that up in the left-hand corner, 1932, right-hand upper, 2022. It's hard to read, but it's Bradford, PA, made in USA. The Zippo is clear. So this has like a nice marble finish all the way around. It's really a nice one. And it came with the regular steel insert, but I think it looks better with the brass colored steel insert. So I put one in there. Lights up nice. Now this is one of the Zippos that I keep on my desktop. Alright, let's do a drop test on this thing. A lit drop test. And yes, for 90 years they've been dropping and staying lit. That is the 90-year commemorative Zippo. It's a good one. And I'm going to give it a little bit of cowbell. Knuckle bump.